feel so near. Close your eyes and you'll be here. Whispers call in the cool night air. Reach for me and end this despair. Woke up today without your smile. The nights feel longer every mile. Traces of you in every space. I search for light in this lonely place. You're the song that I can't forget. Heart's a drum but it beats in regret. Dancing alone to the memory of you. Can't move on no matter what I do. Send beats echo through the night. Bassline heavy but it feels so light. Whispers of you in each note played. This love's a memory that won't fade. We built dreams in a house of sand. Now they're slipping right through my hand. I look for you in every face, but none can fill this empty space. You're the song that I can't forget. Heart's a drum but it beats in regret. Dancing alone to the memory of you. Can't move on no matter what I do. Words unspoken linger